Okay, what is up, guys? I'm in a different outfit, but I think you guys can see like through here, cause yeah, I'm this outfit. We're gonna be like getting more XP and more like that, and talking about a lot of stuff. One thing I want to talk about is I posted a short, and I know I've already posted about this, but I just want to give y'all guys a big thank you for 1.4 thousand views on one of my shorts. What did I do? Okay, like I was saying, thank y'all so much for 1.4k views. That's the most I've ever gotten. My cousin, his name is Hollow Knight, or no, not Hollow Knight, Hollow_VR. His profile is the first Hollow Knight with the Hollow Knight, the first one, has an AK in 10, which yeah, fire. Has a fire pigeon. He shows his face in it. I can't put his YouTube channel, but he made a video about like tag now versus tag back in 4th grade. He's in 6th grade right now. That's why he said now versus tag back in 4th grade. It got like
Don't cry me a river, bro.
and yeah, it was crazy. He has 8 subscribers, so please go subscribe to him. He's a good content creator. His edits are pretty good, but like I was saying, please go check out his channel. It's pretty fire. He makes a lot of edits. He shows his face too. Please check out his YouTube channel. I like. He's been asking me to do this. Like to ask him to like shout out on my videos, which he's been asking for a while, so I'm gonna just do it now. Some memory. I'm remembering now, and I want to just do it right now. But yeah, please go subscribe to him, and make sure you watch that tag now versus tag back in the day. Please watch that. I'm missing all my shots. My claw. I need to run away. I need to reload. By the way, this is not pre-recorded. This is actually me. Right? Yeah, as you can see, I'm with my hands like this. Like that. Because I can't edit it. Unless... You know, I haven't died a single time. Oh. As soon as I say that, I die. Nice, 12 kills. But yeah, please go watch his... He only has one video. He does a lot of shit. And trust, his videos or his shorts and his edits are real. Trust.
Why are we double teaming?
It's real. It's real. It's real. I swear on God, no concept count. It's real. He has very good edits. He's better than me for sure because I don't even edit. Oh, he's won. And yeah, so guys, please go watch his stuff and all that. This thing, like right now, I only have 1,000.4k views, but who knows? I might have even more by the time you watch it too. I think I'm gonna hit a 20 bombs. Maybe. I'm one kill away. I hit 20 bombs. Okay, I got 20 kills. Basically, like, I don't know how much XP that is. I know, like, if it was regular, it would have been 2,000. But it's a little bit more because you get XP for critical and all that. So, guys, so I'm gonna say it one more time. Thank you guys for 1.4k views, and I hope you guys have a great day. No, I'm not gonna end it here though. I'm still gonna be talking about more stuff, but for now, I'm just very happy right now. Actually, let's go check it out right now. Actually,
How do you leave?
alright. I wanna.
How do you leave?
Okay.
Do you have to get a high level for it to be good?
Okay, so don't mind the videos on the bottom, okay? So we got 12 subscribers, 36 videos, shorts. We have 1.5. Oh my god, guys. Thank you so much, bro. I'm actually about to cry. Look here, bro. This is like a huge achievement to hit. I might, by the next day, might even hit 2k views.
Let's go, twin.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. Actually, I can show his YouTube channel, actually. Hollow Knight _VR. That's his YouTube channel. I can show it actually right now, actually. His YouTube channel is this. This is his YouTube channel. It's fire. See, this is what he makes. Oh yeah, that's his cousin. I don't know who he is though. I think I met him before. See, this one got 1k views. I'm currently in Lito. This is what he looks like in IRL. Yeah. Huh? It's a cute kitty. Yeah, so go check out his YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him. Because he's low-key a good content creator, I'll say. So please go. Yeah, guys. Make sure to please subscribe to him. And I'll send him this video once I upload it to show him that I finally did what he's been asking me to do. So he's gonna be happy, I think. But Tracho, bro. Tracho. Tracho. I died. But I don't know if there's anything more to talk about. Well, I don't talk about the recent updates they did. So, one of the bad updates for sniper people was they debuffed sniper. Now this was a couple updates ago, but like still, kind of want to talk about it more. This update was devastating. They just made it a little bit bad. So usually when you headshot someone close up, usually one shot. But now you don't. Wait, did you say something?
Yeah, can I say hi to your YouTube channel?
Oh yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Where are they?
They're right. They can see you right now.
What's up, guys? Oh, what's up, guys?
Oy. Yo,
Apex
thank you,
Major,
thank you.
that's what it's called.
W, W.
Got his ass.
I need to reload. W people, by the way, is saying, yeah. Well, like I was saying, if you go up close with sniper, usually you one shot. But now they made it so you only do 150 to 180. And when you're far away, you do 200. But low key, it was low key the best when you went up past 200 them. Bro, it was so good, bro. I swear. The debuff of crossbow was I haven't used crossbow that much before. I actually just got it this week. And it's pretty good, but like, I'm pretty sure it did a lot more damage. I'm pretty sure. I know they debuffed it. The reason why I'm pretty good for Apex Major is because my friend King Pong, it's a King Pong 2. You've seen him in my shorts before. He's a cat. He plays this too. He's just not that much now. But he's a King Pong 2. And we used to play Lofty. And I would like get cooked, but like I learned some movements, which was pretty good. Movement is pretty good. You need to know movement to be good. My movement after that just got way better. Just way better. After like training in log, it just got way better. But yeah, I'm gonna say this one more time and then I'm gonna stop saying it. But thank y'all guys so much for 1.5k views, bro. This is like thank y'all guys so much, bro. This means a lot to me. But like, yeah. Thank y'all guys so much, bro. I'm gonna check how long okay. I think after this round I'm gonna end the video, but what else is there to talk about? I don't know if they debuffed anything else that I could talk about, but oh my god, 23 kills? Well guys, I think I'm gonna end it off, but I'm gonna show you my XP before and my fan code too. Just a reminder. Okay, so first of all, right now I'm right there. I became Apex Major not too long ago, like a couple days ago. I'm like halfway there. And my fan code is I forgot my own fan code. But it's gonna be my name, which is RAXYAZ. Which is RAXYAZ is my fan code. So let's see if actually someone's there. So I made sure about this too. Something else. Yeah, no, I don't think so. But guys, I'm gonna end it off right here. Thank you guys so much. And see ya. Hope you have a great day.